Today we will know about the chapter number 1, the sun and the solar system. So first of the term is you should know about what is full moon. Full moon means Purnima, and new moon means Amavasya. So next term comes the what is celestial body. So the definition is like that: the sun, the moon, and all those objects that shine in the night sky is known as celestial body. Next term come is the what is a star. Star is also a celestial body. Star is also a celestial body, which is a star is made up of extremely hot gases, and they emit their own heat and light. Example: sun is also a star. Example: sun is also a star. Next term come is constellation. Various patterns formed by group of stars. Various patterns formed by group of stars is known as constellation. For example, Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. One easily recognizable constellation is the Saptarishi. Saptarishi means seven. Sapt means seven, and Rishi and sages. And Rishi means sages. And in ancient time, people used to determine the direction with the help of these constellation. For example, North Star is used to indicate the north direction, which is also known as pole star, and you can locate the pole star with the help of the Saptarishi only. This is the definition. Next term come is the one important note: some celestial bodies do not emit their own heat and light. These are called the planets. So the word planet comes from a Greek word planetai, which means wanderers. And the next is next is the solar system. The sun and the 8 planets, the satellites, and all those objects, celestial bodies like the asteroids and meteoroids, together form the solar system. Sol in Roman mythology means the sun god, and solar means relating to the sun. Now we will describe about the sun. We know that sun is a star. It is a huge ball of extremely hot gases. Sun is the center of the solar system. Sun provides a pulling force that bends the entire solar system. Being tremendous of heat, its heat is not felt that much because it is very far away from us. It's about 150 million kilometer away. 50 million kilometer away. And next is the Earth. No, I would say the planets. So there are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These all 8 planets move along their orbit on a fixed elongated path called orbit around the sun. Mercury takes about 88 days to complete one revolution around the Earth. Similarly, Venus takes 225 days. I have searched on internet, it is 225, and in the older NCRTs it is written to be 255. So I would suggest it's 225 only, I think. According to the internet, we would go here. Third is the Earth. Earth's what I am saying, Earth's It is Earth. Earth's take about 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the Earth. Mars takes 687 days. Jupiter take 11 years 11 months. Saturn take 29 years 6 months. Uranus take 84 years. Neptune takes 164 years to complete their revolution around the Sun. Venus is called the Earth's twin because of its shape and size resemble the Earth. Until August 2006, Pluto was also considered a planet, where in a meeting in an International Astronomical Union, it was decided that Pluto should be put in the category of the dwarf planet, like the Ceres and 2003 UB313. So these are the basic information that is given in the NCERT in the planets under the planet topic. Next come about the Earth. The Earth is the third planet in the solar system and the fifth largest planet in the solar system. And am I missing some line in between? Earth is slightly flattened at the poles, slightly flattened and slightly flattened at the poles and bulge in the middle, and its shape is considered to be a geode-like structure. And conditions are favorable. Conditions are favorable to live on Earth. Conditions are favorable to support life. Conditions are favorable, and I think the most probably found on Earth. Conditions are most probably conditions are favorable to live on Earth, most probably found on Earth. This is the line. Earth has the two essential components, air and water, which is essential for the survival on the Earth. Air has a life supporting gas called oxygen, and this makes Earth a unique planet. Almost 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered with the water. That's why Earth is also known as a blue planet. And next is we have talked about the Earth. Next is the satellite. Satellite is also celestial body which move around the planet like the planet move around the sun. And next is the human-made satellite. Human-made satellite is designed by the scientists to gather information of the universe and or for communication. It is carried along the orbit and placed in the orbit around the planet. For example, INSAT, EDUSAT and IRS. Next is the Earth has only one natural satellite called the Moon. Moon takes about 27 days to complete one revolution around the Earth. Moon takes almost the same time to complete its rotation, that is 27 days. So as a result, we could only see the one side of the moon. Moon appears to be close to us, at it is only 384,000 km away from us. Moon has mountains, or I would say Moon has no conditions favorable to support life. Moon has mountains, plains and depression on its surface. Then what is asteroid? Asteroid are the tiny pieces of rocks. that is orbiting in the belt of between Mars to Jupiter. Scientists are of view that these might be the broken pieces of some of the planets that may have exploded centuries ago. And next is the meteoroids. Meteoroids are the small pieces of rocks that is orbiting around the sun. When it comes nearer to the earth, they might fall also. With the friction, they get burned up. They get burned up, and they get burned up. Some do not burn up, and they create a deep hole on the Earth's surface. Galaxy is a cluster of millions or billions of stars. These millions of the galaxies combine together to form the universe. And Milky Way galaxy is also known as Akash Ganga. Ancient time people used to say the river of light in the sky. Thank you.